Next, the second topic is De Morgan's theorem. In this De Morgan's theorem, there is a basic a formula-like thing we can tell. It's called NAND is combined with bubbled OR. Second is NOR combined with bubbled AND. Using this formula-like thing, we are going to explain it, and we will put a diagram, circuit diagram for it. Then we will do the truth table for it and everything, or let me show and explain you all these things. See, in this De Morgan's theorem, there is two subdivisions. This is De Morgan's theorem. First is NAND is combined with bubbled OR. Second is NOR combined with bubbled AND. This NAND NOR, we are telling you what is this NAND NOR. It means the inversion of in Boolean laws we have learned AND law, OR law, NOT law. Likewise, the AND law's inversion is NAND. OR law's inversion is NOR. NOR NAND or its inversion is bubbled OR, bubbled AND. Bubbled means there will be an underscore above that. So here NAND, I have told AND means it is multiplication dot operator. NAND NAND means it also comes along with the underscore bar. And bubbled OR means addition plus operator, A plus B, bubbled OR. So each variable has a separate bar over its head. So here the same for NOR. NOR, take that OR means addition. So first A plus B. NOR, it's not bubbled, it's just NOR, NAND likewise. So both the variables have the same over bar. Then bubbled AND means multiplication dot A dot B, bubbled. So separately we have each variable the over bar. Now we can see the circuit diagram for it. Circuit diagram for NAND is, for AND circuit diagram, this bubble won't come. Just two inputs and this symbol and one output. Now it's NAND. So we here just add a bubble, and this is the symbol of NAND. Second, for bubbled OR, as it is bubbled, I have separately overbar for every variable. So from the input itself I have the bubble. From the input, not at the end of the output. It's called at the end of the output. If the bubble comes, it's NAND or NOR. If from the input the bubble appears, means it's bubbled OR, bubbled AND likewise. So for bubbled OR, from the input I have made here two bubbles, and OR means this curve, it should come like curve wise, and means there should be a straight line. OR means it should come like curve wise, and this results in a single output. Next, NOR. NOR the same, it should come OR, it should be curve wise, it's NOR NAND. So in the output there exists a bubble, and bubbled AND, it's bubbled. So from the input I have two bubbles and it's AND, so there exists a straight line, and then the single output comes that we mention as Y. Next, we are going to see the truth table for all these things, the NAND, NOR, bubbled OR, bubbled AND, for all these truth tables. These truth tables we have already studied in 12th. Just a basic thing I like to tell. What is this truth table means? It will be four subdivisions will be there. First is 0, 0. 0, 0 means truth table. It means there should be two inputs and one output. That's what we seen in the circuit diagram also. There comes two inputs and it results in a single output. So likewise the truth table also should be shown. So our truth table contains two inputs and single output will be mentioned as Y. This two inputs, 0, 0 means, it means both the inputs are false. One represents true. So if both the inputs are false, what will be the output? If any one of the input is true, it means 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, what will be the output? If both the inputs are true, 1, 1, what will be the output? Likewise, we are going to make the truth tables, and this is what the basic thing about truth table. Now we are going to make truth table for this first combination, NAND bubbled OR. So first we have to write just A, B because they are the two basic inputs. Second, I am going to write the AND operator, A dot B. Third box I am writing the NAND operator, the whole bar. Fourth I am writing the separated thing, A bar, B bar. Then I am combining that A bar plus B bar. Likewise, we have to make this truth table. First, if both the inputs are 0, 0, first we can write it orderly randomly. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. I have written. So 0, 0 means for this answer, to find the output for this answer, if you have to see the top of the column, it is A dot B. It means multiplication. When 0 cross 0, 0. 0 anything 0, 0. 0 anything 0, 0. 1 ones are 1. So likewise you can find the output for such things. Now I have to find A dot B, the whole bar. It means inversion. So what the answer we found for A dot B should be reversed. If there is 0, we have to write the output here as 1. So 1, 1, 1. I have written 0. So first this NAND part is now completed. This A dot B whole bar I got the output. Now I am doing the bubbled OR. A inverse. A inverse means see the A. We have to now inverse this. 0, 0, 1, 1 means I will write 1, 1, 0, 0. Then B inverse. I am going to inverse this B column. 0, 1, 0, 1 means I am writing here 1, 0, 1, 0. Now we have to be very careful here. Now we have to add A bar plus B bar. I have to add all these both inputs and I have to produce the output. 1 plus 1. Likewise, it's a simple max addition, like we can add it. 1 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. That's all. Now we have finished the NAND and bubbled OR. Now you check both these outputs are whether same or not. It will be same. It must be same. That is De Morgan's theorem. NAND is combined with bubbled OR. 111, 0. So now you have got an idea about what is this NAND and bubbled OR. Now likewise we are going to see for NOR and bubbled AND for this truth table and the circuit diagram. This truth table, it won't repeat the same output as in the first one, but the NOR and bubbled AND will be same as it is. I am going to write for NOR. So first A, B, both inputs 0, 0, 0, 1. It's a default 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. I have written. First NOR. OR means it's addition. First I am writing the addition A plus B. Then NOR. Both the variables have the over bar. Now first A plus B. I have to add these both inputs. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. Now inverse of this A plus B, 0, 111, 1, 000. Now the NOR part is over, simple. Now I have to move to the bubbled AND. Bubbled AND means A bar dot B bar I have. First remove this dot, write the output for A bar and B bar. Then we have to multiply and get the output for A bar dot B bar, that is bubbled AND. A bar means I have to inverse the A operator as like we did in the first one. 0, 0, 1, 1 means 1, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 1 means 1, 0, 1, 1. Now I have to multiply here. It's AND, not bubbled OR. It's AND. AND operator is multiplication. Here I added because it is bubbled OR. OR means addition. 1 cross 1, 1. 0, 0, 0. Now you check this NOR operator and bubbled AND output will be same. Thus, the De Morgan's theorem, both outputs are verified.